How's it going? My name is Will with Jupiter Bike. In this segment, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove, install, and adjust your brake caliper for your X5 and your X7 electric bikes. As you can see, you've got two set screws holding your caliper onto the frame of the bike, one on the top and one at the bottom. To remove the caliper, you simply remove the screws and the caliper slips right off. To reinstall the caliper, you want to make sure that your rotor is in line with the interior of your brake pads. So you want it to slip on, like so, and then you want to match the thread to your screw with your caliper. Do not tighten them down right away. You want to get them set in first with the threads. And once it's set, you're going to take your number 5 T-wrench and screw them down nice and tight. Once you have your caliper screwed down nice and tight, you're going to need to adjust it a little bit. There are 2 points of adjustment on your caliper. You've got your front adjustment. When you're adjusting this side, what you want to do is simply loosen up this set screw. You do not need to remove it. Loosen it up to where your silver cable slides free in and out. This creates your tension. When you want to create more tension, hold down your silver cable, move your spring up, release it, and tighten up your set screw. This will create your tension. To measure the appropriate amount of tension, you want the space between your brake lever and your handle to be about 1 inch between each other. If it's any closer than this, your brake caliper needs adjustment. If you are finding that your caliper is grinding more than it normally does, aside from tightening or loosening this up to make your adjustment here, you can also make your left and right adjustment by loosening up your screws at the top and the bottom of your brake caliper. Those 2 screws allow your brake caliper to move left and right. You want a little bit of space in between your rotor and your brake pads inside your brake caliper. Once you have your spacing, you want to tighten back down one side at a time on your top and bottom left and right tensioners. Your brake caliper after adjustment still might not work. If that's the case, the spring on the inside of your brake caliper that activates your up and down may be broken. If this is the case, the brake caliper may need to be replaced. That should give you everything you need to know on how to replace your caliper if needed, on how to adjust your caliper in the appropriate places. With Jupiter Bike, my name is Will. Take care and ride safe, everybody.